Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and Rod is going to be planting up the side garden here. He's got the proven winners, the Tuscan Plant Auger that he's digging the holes with. So that's going to easily dig these 4.5-inch containers and make a perfect home for them here in this garden. So what we've done in this area is we've planted this one basically looking at the garden from the side of the house. So in the back there are going to be the Tuscan Sun Heliopsis. And then in the middle is the Sage Advice Russian Sage. And then planted in the front row, we've done the Allium Serendipity with the Heuchera or the Corabels, the Dolce Wildberry in the center. So the thought with this garden here is that we're going to have color basically all season long. The Heuchera are going to always have that nice beautiful foliage color. And then we're going to get some summer color from the Tuscan Sun. And those are a long blooming perennial. So they should be in color pretty much all summer long. And then we've got the Russian Sage, which blooms typically here in July here in Michigan. And then with the Allium, that should follow it up with blooms starting about mid to early August. So we're excited to see how this garden takes shape. Right now it is mid-August, and it's probably not going to do a lot this year. We're really looking forward to just getting the roots established so that next summer we'll be able to enjoy some flower color in this space. So let's continue to watch Rod as he's using that Tuscan Plant Auger and getting this garden planted up. So in just under 3 minutes, this garden was planted up very quickly with 8 plants. And this is something too you can do if you have the auger, or if you're interested in the Tuscan Plant Auger, you can check out the website. But this garden is done. We might put a little layer of mulch just to kind of hold the moisture better. But I think that's going to look nice next summer, and we'll send you pictures and also post a video next summer of how this garden is looking. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.